Hi, Sikha. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
How are you? Yes, I'm well. What about you?
I'm also well. Thank you for asking. So,
Yeah,
what are you
nice to
doing?
listen. Yeah, nothing special. Just today is my weekend, so just I am enjoying myself.
Oh, you are enjoying. So, did
Yeah,
you
today
do
we have
anything special?
no. Today I didn't do anything special. Just today we have to enjoy, and we can do whatever we wanna do today. But from tomorrow we will be busy with our students in the school, in the coaching.
Right, right. Because
Yes,
now you are engaged in coaching institute and also in busy, in your school. So, yeah, I can understand. Right.
yes. And tomorrow you will be also busy with your students, and today you are completely free.
Yeah, same here. Okay.
So, did you do any special work today, or just like usual, you are enjoying yourself like me?
Yeah, like you, I also didn't do anything special. Yeah, yesterday I planned something, I planned that I will have to do this tomorrow, but today I didn't do.
So,
I
which type
just,
of plan you had yesterday tomorrow?
I had yesterday, for writing something because as you know that
Oh,
I'm, studying also. So for some file and all that I have to fix, but I will. Yeah, the one tendency we all have. We are just procrastinate everything. We just delay everything until our examination are not so close. So like this, I'm also just
yes, yes,
going here and there. Yeah.
I can understand. Yeah, yes, you are exactly right. And it happens with maximum students. Like whenever our exam is not near, so we always postpone our study. We always deny our study. Oh, we can do tomorrow. We can do tomorrow. But day after day, one day it comes at our hand. Like it
Yeah, yeah.
comes so near. So from that time, we think, oh, now it's so near. We don't need to postpone our study. We don't need to
Study,
deny.
right.
Just we have to, yeah. But that time we cannot get a special because in hurry we
Because
cannot
in
get a
hurry, yes.
special. Yes,
As exactly, you're right. Exactly.
yes. We
Yeah,
should always try to,
this is that every I think most students tendency, and yeah, so it is also in my
yeah. So we should always try to be prepared before before our examination.
yes, yes, you are right.
Yes,
That's yeah, because why I am procrastinated everything, why I am delaying everything nowadays because yeah, this is distance education, so that's why yeah I just take it easy somewhere, but nothing is easy in this word that I mentioned also. Everything at their level is tough, so you
uh,
have to prepare for this.
yes, you are right. So, like, which type of exam you want to crack?
No, no, I'm pursuing, as I mentioned, like B.Ed, I'm pursuing B.Ed program.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I am just, for that I will have to maintain some, file like internship file and some workshop file. So I'll have to maintain this. So that's why I started to write, but there is a lot of writing in your file assignment that we'll have to submit. So, we will have to submit in the last, I think, November. So before that, we will have to complete it. So like now, we will have to submit in last November. So right now, yes, I started, but I'm not too much serious. Okay, just it is off and on. But whenever it will be so closed, so that time we don't just off and on. We will be regular at the time.
yeah. That time you will be so serious, and that time you will not feel sleepy.
Yeah, yeah, even right, right.
Yes. Yeah, it
Okay.
happens also with me.
Okay. So yeah, how's your study going nowadays?
Yeah, nothing special. Just I am passing my time because whenever I want, like whenever I think today I will study about this. Today I will prepare about this topic, and I have to structure. I have to study about many English structure, and I have to also study about many English sentence, many words. Today I will remember about 20 words, 30 words, but sometimes I don't follow because just
Yeah,
I only just I only think, but I do, yeah, but I do not follow.
yeah, yes, yes. As like me, I'm also
No,
right
and
now
one
doing this
thing,
something.
yeah, there is one thing, and that is bad habit with me because I spend too much time with social media.
Oh, but in which app means like which app you spend your
Yeah,
more time?
like on every app, like because YouTube takes too much time for uploading
Okay.
video, for making video, yeah. And another thing that like on WhatsApp, because whenever we get any message, whenever
Yeah,
we
right.
wanna send, yeah, whenever we wanna send our video, photo, picture, everything, whenever we wanna send like any message to our friends, to anyone, so that time we send. And if you are sending any message to anyone, so definitely you will get also you will also receive message, so we need to reply. And if you are talking with that person, so it also takes 10 minutes, 6 minutes, and after that if anyone is sending message to you, so like this, every day I spend too much time on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. uh, yes, like this. Okay, now I would like to ask one question.
Okay.
Do you like to listen song?
Yeah, I like to listen song. Definitely, I like. And I
So
also, I also waste my time to listening song sometimes.
oh, really?
Really,
So do you
it
listen
happens.
song? Yeah, do you listen song with your headphone or just by loudspeaker?
I listen by loudspeaker mostly. That's a very bad habit, I know. I also disturb other person who is here. And in a, if I listen song by earphone, so that's only for traveling if I'm going somewhere. So that's time because over there we shouldn't disturb others. So for
Yeah,
traveling, I use earphone, and for home, I always use loudspeaker.
loudspeaker.
That's a very bad. Yeah.
So like, yeah, like which type of song you like to listen most? Like Bollywood song, like Hindi song or English song?
Hindi mostly.
Hindi.
Yeah.
So who is your favorite singer? Do you have any favorite singer?
Yeah, I have, I can say Arjit Singh.
Oh,
Arjit Singh and Jubin Nautiyal. He's also a good singer.
yeah. Oh, so sweet singer, Jubin Nautiyal. I always like.
Yeah, so means you like also Jubin Nautiyal. So someone else, do you like?
Yeah, someone else also, like there is one singer, Biprak. I think his name is Biprak,
Oh, I don't know.
and he sings so sweet song. And another singer I also like, Arjit Singh.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
so is
because
there any female singer?
in female singer, yeah, there is one like female singer, Payal Halchal, or like this. Her name is Payal.
Yeah,
I
Palak Muchal, I think maybe.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
it?
yeah, it is. Yeah, yeah, yes. I'm not sure. Yeah, sometimes I listen her song, but maximum I listen song by Biprak and Arjit Singh and Jubin Nautiyala.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. I also.
Yes.